Okay, so I've just cleaned up the vector line that we had drawn on this ground plane to cut the roof with. So I've cleaned it up, so I've been left with over here in the objects palette, I'm left with just two objects. One is my walls, turn them back on, and one is the roof. So tidy your drawing up, just get rid of that cutting line if you've got any of those cutting lines. Tidy your drawing up and your model up until you've just got those two objects, just the walls and the roof there. When you've got that done, what we'll do is we'll start to create the floor slab as the final part here now. So I'll do that with two rectangles. So I hit the rectangle tool. I'll just use a 2D rectangle and I'll just draw that. We need to get the focus of that reference plane back on the bottom of these walls here, so F5 again till we can get that reference plane down on the bottom. F5 to lock that back in again, and then you can draw one rectangle like so, and then draw yourself another rectangle form the outside shape of the slab. So you can see now you've got four objects. You've got the roof, the walls, and those two rectangles there. So just ghost the roof and the walls so that they don't get in your road here at the moment, and you just left click and you hit escape to get out of that command or go back to the pick tool. So you can see here you've got these two rectangles there. I'm going to try and union those two together, so modify union and select that rectangle to union to that rectangle. Okay, so we've now got that one floor slab. Now I think the original objects through here we can delete. So they were the original rectangles. Delete that. So we should then be left with, if we turn the other objects back on, we're left with the walls and the roof and that floor slab plane. So I'll turn that floor slab plane back on and then just use the reshape tool to reshape that floor slab downwards by 300 millimeters. And you've got a 300 millimeter thick floor slab there now. So there's the simple geometry of that. I'll just do a save and stop the video there, and we'll come back and modify this building a little bit further in a second.